from this problem we just solved R. They said determine the common ratio. And we know that the common ratio, which is R is equals to T2 over T1. And T2 is minus 18, T1 is 36. So when you punch this, you got 1 over 2. So now they said for 3 marks, calculate n. We need to calculate the value of n if Tn is equal to 9 over 4096. Mungi, write this down first. Say Tn is equal to 9 over 4096. Okay? Then what is Tn? The general term of this. First thing first, we need to find the general term. Tn. If you still remember, for a geometric series, Tn should be in the form of AR to the power n minus 1. So, what is the value of A? The first term of the sequence. This will be 36 multiplied by R. And you said your R is what? Your R is minus 1 over 2. Everything will be to the power n minus 1. So, where there's Tn on this formula, we need to put 36 inside the bracket minus 1 over 2 to the power n minus 1. Equate this to what? 9 over 4096. So what we are going to do now, we're going to apply algebra and solve for this question. First thing first, we can divide both sides by 36 to get rid of 36 because we are trying to isolate whatever that has n. So tell me, what is 9 over 40? Okay, if maybe this cost maybe, okay, tell me what is, how can we say this? This is 1 over 36 times 1 over 36. Why? Because the 36 will cancel. This side I'll be left with minus 1 over 2 to the power what? N minus 1. This will be equal to, now tell me, what is 9 over 4096 times 1 over 36? What do you get?
It's 1 over 1000, 16,384.
16,384. It's like this.
Yes.
Nice. So now, Mungi, when you have a problem like this, you know what you have to do? You can solve this using the logs, but the best way to do this is to make sure that the base are the same. You understand? So I need you to take this guy here, 16,384. Punch it on your calculator. Say 16,384. When you are done, punch equal sign. Say equal sign. Tell me when you are done.
I'm done.
Then press shift, say fact. After shift, say fact. Do you know where to find fact, right?
Yes.
Nice. Tell me what you get.
2 to the power of 14.
2 to the power of 14. I need you to pay attention on what I'm going to do now. So this is what? This is n minus 1. You said you got your answer as 2 to the power 14, ne?
Yes.
So this tells you that we can write this guy here as 2 to the power 14. But now tell me, is 2 to the power 14 the same as minus 1 over 2? Is it the same?
No.
Let's fight to make these guys the same so that we can equate the, okay, we'll get to that law. I think it's best if we take this thing and work on it on the other side. Let's work on it on this side. Remember, we still have 1 over 2 to the power what? To the power n minus 1. And then this side we had 1 over 1. We said 2 to the power 14. And now, tell me, if I write this guy like this, if I write this like this, tell me if I'm wrong. 1 to the power 14 over 2 to the power 14. Is this not the same as that 1 over? Because remember, 1 to the power any number is just 1. Why am I writing this? Because I need to apply the law that says if the exponents are the same, this can be written as what? Let's say this is A. This can be written as B over A, everything to the power that n. So now the reason I change 1 to B to the power 14 is that I want to write this as 1 over 2, everything to the power 14. Are you still with me on that?
Yes.
So it's all algebra. So this tells you that you need to go back and revise algebra. So now, tell me, are the base the same? No, they are not the same. Why? Because this base this side is negative, this one is positive. But now remember, 14 is an even number. 14 is an even number. Even if we put a negative here, this is the same as, there's no change. We just have to put the negative so that the base are the same. Since the base are the same, we can drop the exponent. Remember the law that says if I have a to the n to be equal to a to the m, the base are the same, n will be equal to m. That's the law I apply here. This is equal to 14. You see, you just have to be creative. Enjoy maths. You just have to enjoy what you are doing. Move the 1 to the other side, then what is n equal to? N will be equal to 15. And that's how you solve this problem. Do you have any question based on this one? Is there something that you want me to explain again? Are you happy with this?
Yes.
All good, ne?
Yes.
Okay, great.